There was once a ferocious storm, where wind had shattered and ice had torn. A black shadow circling by had heard on the wind a young baby's cry. The curious raven, following the sound, saw a sodden home that he had found. A family huddled against the storm, no light or fire to keep them warm. The adopted baby, eyes wide with fright, made the bird take into flight. The raven flew as high as allowed, past the storm and through the cloud. A warm sundrop was what he seeked. He clasped it firmly into his beak, returning as quickly as he came through the sleet and the rain, dropping a gift of warmth and love to down below from up above.